To pour your agarose gel, the first thing you need to note is that there are these raised portions that need to contain your gel. To insert your comb, set it in the grooves, push it all the way down, making sure that it is even and completely seated. In the gel box. Then you're going to take your agarose, which you have melted with the cap loosened. It's going to be very hot coming out of the microwave. You want to make sure that it is completely melted and that there are no chunks left in it. Remove the lid and pour into the gel box so that it covers the bottom of the comb but does not flow over the raised edges of the gel box. You will then need to let it cool for 30 minutes.